something now. It's a brand new phone. You're gonna learn to do your own thing. Sing something. Yeah, brother. Okay, here we go. Here we go, brother. Sing. Do the funky. Do the funky. Do the funky. Do the funky.
Everybody, it's Sky, Mocean365. Gonna go over a short movement sequence that you can do to wake up in the morning. You can do on your lunch break. You could do before you go shredding on your snowboard. Whatever you need to get some dynamic movement into your life. It's pretty basic. Got a little area here, nothing crazy. Pretty beautiful Vermont afternoon here in the woods. So yeah, just follow along. As far as foot placement, you're going to see me doing some of the stuff and moving my feet around. Not really concerned where the feet are. We just want to be in a good athletic stance, and not like this, or just good posture wherever we are. And that could be across the body, it could be on one foot, it could just be here, it could be moving the whole time. So mix it up, have fun, don't be afraid. So let's get this party started. First thing, just get those arms moving. Lots of breathing here too. Lots of breathing. We're trying to be exuberant, so a lot of breathing. Get the arms out. The arms going. Mix up those feet. And bring it right overhead. Little flutter kicks with your arms. And this should just feel good. It's just kind of waking up the muscles, the mind. Great way to start the day, great way to end the day. Alright, little Karate Kid style here, a little wax on, wax off. You move the body around. If you're going snowboarding, get in your snowboard stance. If you're going skiing, maybe get into your ski stance. If you get in your office stance, maybe get into this stance. I don't know, it doesn't matter. We're just trying to get some blood flowing. Waxing on or waxing off, we can buff too. Go down low, to the side. We can bring it up high. Multi-planar movement. Okay? And then we're going to bring it into our hips a little bit. A little hula hoop. You do a multi-shoulder. Some arms into it. Those hips line up. You might hear some cracking. You might hear the age gauge. Crack, snap, snap, pop. Got that same hula hoop, it's big, it's out around us, and now we're going to move with it. Alright, bring it right onto one foot now. Imagine there's a target to our right and to our left. One foot and just a little. You go down low. And this will challenge your balance. Reach it up. Switch your feet often. One foot's too much. You can do what's called a foot and a half. Just put that back foot down. So they're still mostly on one foot. It's like 80-20. With that back foot, it's helping stabilize until you get to the point where you build up enough balance and strength to stay on one foot. Alright, now we're just going to get some big circles going. Everything going here. About 18 degrees today, and I'm feeling warm. Do this anywhere. Do it in your living room. You can do it outside though. What the heck? Beautiful. All right, next one, I'm gonna challenge you a little bit of a dance move here. You're gonna move your arms in 1 foot forward as you bring the other arm and rotate out to the back. You're gonna come forward, back. It's just gonna look like this. So that front foot, forward, bring the arms back. Bring the arms back. Make it a little more challenge here. I got a dog to go around. Got some sticks and rocks in the wood here, some snow. That's fine, just make it a little more challenge. Figure eights. Just imagine we're driving our hand through the snow. Big figure eight pattern. We're going outside the body. We go down low. Really get those legs woken up. All that good fluid to your joints. Everything lubricated. Move it up high. Again, trying to keep that good athletic stance. It doesn't matter where your feet are, if you're on 1 foot, one and a half, or on 2. We just try to have good posture, so we don't want the knees hanging out. We're not doing it like this all stiff. We're ready. Our back's upright. Barefoot Sensei says you gotta have a grin. Alright, we're gonna move along and take you out into the snow, show you some more stuff. Stay warm. Alright, so we've moved on. New locale here. We want some new stuff. We've done our dynamic movements, done our exuberant animal short form. Now we can run our joints through a range of motion. So we'll get into a good posture here. 1 foot. And we're going to rotate. Start with our ankle joint 5 times each direction. Maintaining good posture up here to our knee. 5 there. And then to our hip. We're working right up the body, starting at the foot and ankle, working all the way up. Shake it out a little bit. Do the same on the other side. Amazing how the difference sometimes in the left and the right is. Shows us where imbalances are in the body and what we need to work on sometimes. You go up to the knee right here. We're really trying to get the movement in the knee. Trying to get some fluid in there, some synovial fluid, some lubrication. All the way to the hip. These will challenge your balance probably the most of the 3. Great way to get some blood flowing. Yeah, and shake it out a little bit. Next one, we're just going to come up with the arms down into a partial bend here, so we're not going over our knees like this or over our toes. Back like this, so up, drive it through. Not like a cross-country ski or a ski push. Just go for 10 of these or so, whatever feels good. Keep going if you want, or stop if you need to.